Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Might back off a tablespoon of the flour too, which just thickens it to glop. The starch in the macaroni without any flour should thicken it fine if you're baking it. If you want a creamier mac and cheese, put in more milk or water than you think, and after baking it will thicken up from the starch in the pasta.
Take our lead.
Mac and cheese should either be creamy or stringy because of the cheese. Our rule of thumb is to always grate more cheese than we think we'll need. Even if you've shredded too much, you can save it for another use.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.